Hello beauties, hello styles, hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. You can see today we have this great haircut that will spice up your standard cut. This haircut is for beautiful African American women and it's a way for you to stand out and express yourself. This haircut is lovely and you can see to add more dimension to your hair, and sometimes you can use some color highlight to always add those extra tones to your short haircut. So for a fuller look without changing the length or even style of your hair, I love this haircut. It's so gorgeous. This kind of cut is a beautiful way to really show off your coily hair's natural texture. You know, coloring your hair, sometimes you can see we always make it look beautiful and make it look so sophisticated. Take a good look on this beautiful hair. It's a trendy low maintenance hairstyle that is perfect for beautiful black women with short hair. The style features that close cut you can see with longer lengths on top, creating that bold and edgy look, and it is a style for every beautiful black woman. Whether you have the salt and pepper or the white hair, you can embrace your natural grace, always looking good with this style. So providing this unique touch, you can complement a variety of skin tone, because this hairstyle is the best for beautiful women looking for that chic, effortless look that doesn't require daily styling. So for easier regular maintenance, you can apply a little relaxer if you wish, because relaxer sometimes helps soften your natural coil pattern and texture. So as a result, it becomes easier for you to style. For those that have those thick hair that are so hard, so it's so easier to style with that coiling or maybe flat iron. So you can see these are beautiful haircuts that will make it look gorgeous, and they are a great way to complement your makeup or your outfit. So you can see it would be best to always consider this kind of haircut, because it's a modern hairstyle that really shows off your natural hair texture while still keeping things chic, and it's a perfect look for a low maintenance style that will make it look fabulous. So let me just let you guys to please check out the rest of the styles and let me know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard. Anna. I saw your tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Kanya Nabakubaraba.
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light, my burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yo. Oh my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to